Hey guys, today we're checking out the Boss Bass EQ model GE-7B. I picked this up on Reverb. You can find pretty good deals on them. I would probably look for a Japanese model over the Taiwanese models, just because I think over time they'll hold their value a little bit better. Just personal opinion. I paid about 60 bucks for it, so it's a pretty good price for a pedal that is 32 years old, according to the listing. It said 1988. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so this came from a seller over in Utah. Seems to be packaged pretty well, and the seller seems to be a pro. Peanuts. You know you like them, or you hate them. Doesn't matter, they're a mess. Keep your stuff safe, but they're a mess. Alright, Peanuts. Back in the box. Alright, so here is the guy we've come to see. Oh, I like how he Ziploc bagged it. Alright, so here is the pedal. This is the Bass EQ GE-7B. We've got output, input. An older version may have a silver screw. We've got Boss ACA adapter only. And one thing that's funny about some of these Boss pedals is they require a little bit different of an adapter. We'll see how that goes. 62 Hertz, 125, 150, 500, 1K, 2K, 4K, and a level sliders. These guys feel so far so good. They're a little clicky in the middle, but that kind of makes sense. They don't feel sandy or really caked in with dirt. Which is definitely possible for a pedal this old. I'm going to start it out everything at unity or right in the middle. And for each frequency you have a plus or minus 15 decibel cut. Yeah, so pretty straightforward. Typical Boss enclosure. And I can't get this to focus right, but made in Japan. Alright, let's hear it. Okay, so just a little information about what I'm playing. I'm playing on a Mexican standard P-bass with Seymour Duncan quarter pounder pickups through a Gallien-Kruger 800 RB, and out of the speakers of this Ampeg 212 Portaflex. And yeah, that's about it. Tone is wide open. Volume wide open. Alright, so here's my clean sound. Alright, so first thing I notice is that the light doesn't light up. This is because I'm just using a standard Boss AC adapter, and I believe these use a 12 volt. I'll look into that and figure out what it uses, but I think the only thing that you really won't get is a light here. But also, now that I think about it, I think that the owner said no light. Light doesn't work. Alright, so that just gives it a boost. All the way down. $4K. So 4K all the way down. 2K. $2K all the way down. $1K. $1K all the way down. $500 500 hertz all the way down. $250 hertz. And then 125 hertz. $62 hertz. Alright, so that's a demo of all the frequencies. Let's see if we can make it sound pretty good. So, off again. Alright guys, this is the Bass EQ GE-7B. That concludes my demo. Leave any comments you may have, and thanks for watching. Bye now.